Not 240 Tuesday.
We're taking a break from 240 Tuesday. I'm sure you guys guessed that when there was no 240 Tuesdays for the last 2 weeks. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm telling you on Thursday, but 240 Tuesday is a little bit on hold. That's it. That's the end of the story. So now there's no scheduling to our videos. So basically, I'm trying to do as much stuff to the Civic that I possibly can before all the mods come in, like doing the rust work and all that stuff. There's a couple things we have that we're gonna do to it anyways that we already have. But we're taking a break from the 240, which means I'm probably gonna be spending more money on the BRZ, which is good for you guys. I don't know. We did the... Get up, you lazy ass. You guys remember a couple weeks ago we did the door cards on the 240 and we did them in suede, but how much did you spend on this whole sheet? And like this is what is left after we did 2 door cards already on the 240 and it was $10. So today, I know they sell like those Alcantara, it's gonna be okay. I know they sell the Alcantara
Suede
trim pieces. Yeah, 2017 has them stocked. And they're like 200, I think, US dollars for those, which is stupid. And this was $10. So this plus a little bit of glue, which I don't even know if the glue's 10 bucks, that's $20. So for a total of $20, we're just gonna do it ourselves because it's gonna look cool and I don't wanna spend money on it. So there's that. For a refresher, for anybody that may have missed the video, this is what we did in Emerson's car. So this used to be like this material that's on the seats. And we sueded this door and in that door over there. And then we also did like the carbon fiber. We did a bunch of stuff in here, but it's gonna be on hold right now for a little bit. You guys are gonna love the reason why, and then this is what we're doing in my car. So this piece is like the fake carbon fiber. I'm not sure what year they switched from like the silver trim to this piece. This is the stuff that I have in my car. So I debated doing like all these pieces, but I feel like that's too much. We're just gonna do this for now and see how it looks, and then maybe we'll do more, but I think it'll look good because it goes with the suede here. So like this is Alcantara.
Has the red stitching like 2017.
Yeah, I won't have the stitching around the outside of it, but you can buy them on FTD6 Speed Factory, I think.
FT86.
That's what I said.
No, you just butchered it and sound like Migos.
Migos. Anyways, you can get them, and they don't have stitching, and they're still like $200. So ours is gonna look fine. And as far as getting it off, I'm pretty sure you just pull.
We're gonna make it really shitty.
There's no good place to grab and pull. Oh, dude, look at that. I literally just pulled with my thumb. And
oh, I think we broke it now.
That sounds great.
Dude, you can hide something right here.
Note to everybody with BRZ. So now this, don't put it back.
Okay, I don't think, whoa!
Dude, this one comes off just the same. You just pull. It's an interior trim piece. That's like the method to every interior trim piece. You just pull. It's the one above their base camera.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So and then the mic, obviously, yeah. You're seeing this, and your name's Ryan Chan, and you're 10. Shout out to you, buddy. I just met your dad. He's a nice guy. Yeah, look, just you don't peel it off.
I just want to see if it's silver.
I don't want you to peel it off. Ah! Don't ruin it. Can you see?
Japanese people. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, it's folded over. It is just wrapped.
Like even here, like they got like a newbie working and just
half-assed it.
Pooch the cut there too.
Should we take this off while we're here? No, because then
now you're just asking for it.
Yeah, let's just do this first. Let's do this first and see how it goes. A lot of you guys commented and just said we should flock these pieces.
You go flock yourself.
You said we should flock it when we did Emerson's dash, but personally, we already bought this one, so we're just gonna use this because it's the same thing. And I don't know, I felt flocked things before, and I feel like, yeah, it's a lot of work and it doesn't feel this. I know it might hold up better. We're not in this to do professional stuff. We're just having fun. We have leftover suede. We're sueding things. You know why? Because this is $200 to buy the 2 pieces. I think I'll put the price right here, and we're doing it for like 20. So come on, mate. Hey, that's a good shirt, dude. Where'd you get that shirt? Were we there? Did we go there? Heavy duty trim adhesive. This is the same stuff we use on the doors. Using it here. Now, we kind of have a new concern now that we've taken these off and realized they're just wrapped. Well, I don't know if you're concerned.
Oh, what the f happened here?
Now, my only worry now is that if we do this and we take it off, if we pull the suede off too high, okay, just intruding on my space. If we pull the suede off one day, it might rip this carbon off. I don't know. We'll find out. This doesn't need explaining, and we're gonna put on some music so you guys get music too. Basically, the way we're doing this is once you get it here and everything's kind of stuck, we're gonna just cut it a little bit longer than, you know, we'll leave a little bit extra, and then we'll wrap it around the back, spray some glue in the back, and just kind of like fully wrap it. And then once you put it in the car, and this is tucked behind, it just kind of pinches itself there anyway, so it won't ever come loose. Because a lot of times when people do like sticker wraps and stuff, they try and cut it exactly where it goes, and then they try and do the same thing with this, but when you put this in and push it, this is so thick that it'll like pull off the top or the bottom or wherever. It might like push it off. So you gotta like wrap it so that it stays tucked. So I do. You try it, boy. That's gonna look sick.
Yeah, fuck you, Courtney.
What's your profanity? Yeah, we're gonna do a lot. Honestly, I want to just like show everybody that we're not fucking around and just get into the big eBay turbo kit sooner than later.
I'm not mad. I just want to know everything. You're like yelling.
Austin's going out.
What the fuck are you doing? That's the car supposed to come out. Well, what's going on here?
Tell the people sorry for making it dark. I let Emerson cut it because I just don't trust myself with the fine details. That's a little man job. We haven't figured out corners yet. We haven't perfected them, but like this piece is done and it looks mint. This looks so good. And this one, it still has the clips on it to dry. I'm sure we can take these off. You wanna take these off? We wasted our night. It's like 10 something. It's dark. It's dark outside. We didn't waste our night, but we didn't spend it wisely. But the pieces are done. We took all the clips off and like this is, hey! Thank you. So this is, it's all done. We're gonna put it back in the car, but like you guys aren't gonna be able to see it because it's too dark. So we're just gonna skip to tomorrow. And now you and me both can see it for the first time in the daylight. Because last night we put it in, it was too dark. Dude, that looks good. That is really good. The seats, when you look at it from right here, the seats and just wow, dude. Just wow, that looks unreal. It's literally the exact same as this. And the fact, like the way it just kind of like flows down this seat and up onto the dash just looks incredible. I'm gonna try and bring you guys over here because the light is not working out. Oh, that's my window. The light just isn't working out over there, but I'm stoked. I think this looks really good. I think for the fact that you can buy these things for like 200 US, which is a lot more in Canadian, and you can make this, like we made this, like I said, the Suede itself was about $10. And then the can of spray stuff was about 10 bucks. And like this Suede did Emerson's door cards on both sides. It did all of this. And there's still like a buttload more, so it's totally worth it to grab. There's a little bubble right here. That's our fault. When we were putting it in, we were too aggressive. If you go like this, you can push it back in. I'm just gonna need to take it off. And like that's just a me thing, like I'm sure you guys don't really care, but I'm gonna take it off and just push it in just a tiny bit. Other than that, looks mint. But yeah, that's the finished product. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it just as much as I do because I think it looks sweet. I don't know where my sunglasses are. Hello? Hello? Are you in there? I guess I'm just gonna be blind for the rest of my life. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure you come back soon. We're putting Recaro seats in the Civic. We bought them used for $250 for the pair. They're perfect for the budget bill. They're exactly what we're looking for. So I hope you guys all enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you go and don't spend money on these Suede interior pieces. You saw how easy it was. Go do it yourself. Super, super simple. I'll catch you guys in the next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up, like all the lame YouTubers say. And if you're not subscribed, there's a little button right down there to do so. I'll catch you next time. Peace out. Stay committed.